Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with Standard 8, Chapter 6, Review of Python. इस चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने मुख्य मुख्य पॉइंट्स सब पे चर्चा कर चुके हैं कि फीचर्स ऑफ पाइथन लैंग्वेज क्या होता है, वर्किंग मॉडल्स ऑफ पाइथन क्या है, एंड स्क्रिप्ट मोड क्या होता है, वेरिएबल्स क्या है, डाटा टाइप इन पाइथन क्या होता है, और इनपुट फंक्शन, टाइप फंक्शन, ऑपरेटर्स इन पाइथन, different types of arithmetic operators and their functions, and relational operators. All point I have discussed in the previous classes. Today going to once again recap of this chapter कि Python is a high-level language that is the simple and interactive. It is used to design web application, mobile application, desktop application, robotics, and performing scientific computing. Python works two different modes, interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, the statements are executed line by line, giving the output instantaneously. Script mode is used to create the edit program, which are executed as a file and can be saved for later use. Files in a Python are saved with the extension .py. The type of data value that can be stored in an identifier such as the variable is known as its data type. The data types of the value or variable is an attribute that tells what kinds of the data it can have. A variable is a storage location that stores the value that can be changed during the program execution. And operators are used to perform the different operators like the arithmetical operator, relational operator, logical operator, and operands, and give the meaningful result. There are 5 types of the operator used in the Python: assignment operator, arithmetical operator, relational, logical, and strings operator. Comments are the statements that are added to a program with the purpose of making the code easier to understand. In programming language, conditional statement cause the program controls to transfer to a specific location depending on outcome of the conditional expression. There are 3 types of the construct in a program that control the flow of the execution of a statement in a program. These are sequential, conditional, and iterative. If else are the 3 types of the conditional statement. Now fill in the blanks. The data type of a variable is an attribute that tells what kinds of data it can in a variable have. There are 2 types of strings operators. The statement that governs the flow of a program are called control statement. The comment are the statements that are written while programs can but not be executed during the program execution. F5 is a shortcut key to execute a program. Now, statement true. Logical operators are used to assign a value to a variable is a false. The value of a variable cannot be changed during the program execution is the false in Python, and is the example of the logical operator is the true. A script mode used to create file in the Python is true, and Python is a case sensitive language is true. Python can work in 2 different modes. Concatenation is a strings operator. A single line comment can be created by using the hash symbol. The sequential construct execute the statement in the sequential manner. The files in a Python are the saved with the extension .py. तो ये आपका चैप्टर 6 का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग इसके और जो बचे हुए हिस्सा है उस पर चर्चा करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.